So to start this problem off, we have pair 3, which I chose B, which is 4 tangent 2x plus 4 minus tangent 2x minus 1 equals 0. So to start out, I just combine my like terms of 4 tangent 2x and negative 1 tangent 2x to give me 3 tangent 2x, and then I combine 4 and negative 1 to give me 3. Then from there, I subtracted 3 from both sides to get 3 tangent 2x equals negative 3. Then divided both sides by 3 to get tangent 2x equals negative 1. I went to my unit circle and found where tangent equals negative 1, and I set that equal to 2x, so I have 2x equals 3 pi over 4, and 2x equals 7 pi over 4. Now we're going to add 2 pi n to both of those, and starting with this one, we divide all of the sides by 2, so we'll have x, and then 3 pi over 4 divided by 2 is 3 pi over 8, and then 2 pi n divided by 2 is just pi over n, because that would equal 1. Now, we have to find a like denominator to be able to add these together, so we multiply the top and bottom by 8 to get 8 pi over 8, and we'll add those together. So this is our first term. So we're going to take our first term, add that to it, so we have 3 pi over 8 plus 8 pi over 8 equals 11 pi over 8. Now that works because it does not go over 2, so we will use that as a term as well, and then we'll take that and add 8 pi over 8, so we have 11 pi over 8 plus 8 pi over 8 equals 19 pi over 8, which does not work. So now we can move on to the next side, where we have 2x equals 7 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. Divide all sides by 2, so we'll have x equals 7 pi over 4 divided by 2 is 7 pi over 8 plus pi n, because 2 over 2 equals 1. So we'll do the same thing as we did the other side. Multiply the top and bottom by 8, so we'll have 8 pi over 8, and then this is our first term, so we'll add that to our first term. So 7 pi over 8 plus 8 pi over 8 equals 15 pi over 8. Now we'll take 15 pi over 8 and add 8 pi over 8, and when we do that, we get 23 pi over 8, which does not work. So now we know our answer is 3 pi over 8, 7 pi over 8, 11 pi over 8, and 15 pi over 8.